Motorola has been launching one smartphone after another, and the latest to join the party is the Moto G8 Plus. Motorola says that it has combined the goodness of Moto One Vision and Moto One Action to make the Moto G8 Plus. The phone costs Rs 13,999 and sports a 48MP triple rear camera including a dedicated action cam. So how does the new G series phone perform, and is it really a sweet deal? Well, let's find out in our review of the Moto G8 Plus.
Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Design-wise, the Moto G8 Plus is not as exciting as the Moto One smartphones, and the black gradient style here is a bit outdated. However, the phone still looks premium thanks to its glossy polycarbonate body that looks like glass. The build of the phone is a bit broader, but since the G8 Plus has a curved back, the phone sits well in the hands. At the front, the phone has a broader chin and the side bezels are also not thin. The 6.83-inch display offers good viewing angles, decent contrast and vivid colors. At the back, the top camera sensor is the 16MP action cam, which has been placed at a 90-degree tilt to help you record horizontal ultra-wide stable videos while you keep the phone vertical in one hand. We have already discussed the capabilities of the action cam in our Motorola One Action review, and you can find the link to the video in the description below. The other two camera sensors on the back include a 48MP quad pixel lens and a 5MP portrait lens. The camera performs differently in different scenarios. First up, when the subject is close to the camera, the Moto G8 Plus takes punchy and crisp pictures with nice sharpness levels and ample details. However, in landscape shots, the details are lost and the camera struggles to produce colors. The dynamic range and exposure levels are also not that good, and the end result is nice portrait shots and only decent looking landscape pictures. Coming to the bokeh mode, the edge detection is quite aggressive but works well in daylight conditions. The low light performance of the camera is okay, but the images start to lose details as it starts to get dark. The night mode on the G8 Plus comes handy here to reclaim that lost visibility and color. The 25MP selfie camera does a good job at color reproduction and keeping skin tone natural. However, the low light performance is not good here and the edge detection is also not on point. The Moto G8 Plus excels at the audio quality with its Dolby tuned stereo speakers. The Snapdragon 665 processor clubbed with stock Android experience ensures smooth and stutter-free performance even when you push it to the extreme. The Moto G8 Plus can play PUBG Mobile at medium settings with minimal frame drops, but the Call of Duty mobile gameplay is really good here. The 4000 mAh battery on the phone lasts 1.5 days with above moderate usage, which is really good. The 15-watt turbo power charger comes in the box that can charge the phone within 2 hours, and you can get from 10% to 75% in an hour. So, does the Moto G8 Plus justify its asking price of Rs 13,999? The answer is yes. Well, there could have been some improvements, especially in the camera department. But based on the phone's performance, battery backup, sound quality and the presence of the action cam, I'd say Moto G8 Plus holds its own against the competition.